Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I got a very cool video for you because I want to show you this website I found yesterday. It's called Gencraft, and it's the same idea as Midjourney and Leonardo and all those similar websites where you can put in a prompt, and based on your prompt, you get an image. So I'm on the community tab right now. As you can see, people are making some crazy cool stuff. I think this is like Walter White. Yeah, Walter White monkey style. I saw another crazy image. Oh, here it is. Voldemort the ballerina. Like, you can go bonkers with your imagination, right? Just creating stuff. But the cool thing is, I can't show you right now because I'm out of prompts for today. You get like 10 prompts every 24 hours, so you gotta be watchful with that. Unless you go and purchase the upgraded plan, which is $10 a week, which you can then generate as much images as you want, no watermarks, and you can use it for commercial use. The starter plan is like 25 prompts a day, same thing as same features as the pro plan, only you get 25 prompts a day. And then you have the free plan, which gives you 10 prompts a day, but you cannot use it commercially, and you always get a watermark on your creations. Alright, but the cool thing is, as I was saying, you can turn your prompt into animated videos, short videos, and these are all the styles you can create them in: cartoon, 3D, anime, realistic, and all those good stuff. But like I said, I'm out of prompts, so I can't show you live how to do it, but I did create some stuff yesterday, so I can show you that. This is like a guy on a laptop, animated, cyberpunk style. This wasn't a big deal, because yeah, it's not moving that much. But I also created the swimming fish, so it's pretty nice, the things you can make. And then a white bird flying over a volcano. But you know how it works with these AI things. They have a bunch of errors, so you need to really narrow down specifically what you want. So you can't even see the bird here, but you get the idea, right? So here's another fish swimming in a lake, but instead of one fish, it had multiple fish. But I think this one turned out pretty cool. This was the cartoon style, but that's basically it. So you can go try it out for yourself. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's have a conversation about it in the comment section. I'll leave the link of this site also in the comment section, and subscribe and all that good stuff, right? And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.